Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Firefox is updated and that you know your current IP so you can verify the change. Once done, choose a method: System VPN, browser extension, or manual proxy settings in Firefox. Make sure you have proxy server details or a VPN account and credentials handy. Open Firefox's menu, go to Options or Settings, then scroll to Network Settings and click Settings to begin configuring how Firefox connects to the internet. You'll now configure the connection details directly. If you picked manual proxy, enter the proxy host and port and choose SOCKS 5 for better anonymity. If you use an extension or system VPN, pick Use System Proxy Settings. Make sure to check that DNS requests go through the proxy to avoid leaks. Firefox's SOCKS 5 with remote DNS helps. After filling credentials if required, click OK and restart the browser to let the new route take effect. This ensures the IP change is applied. You finish by verifying the result. Visit an IP check site to confirm the new address and location. If the IP hasn't changed, make sure you cleared Firefox's DNS cache and restarted the browser. Also try rebooting your router and re-entering proxy or VPN credentials. If problems persist, disable conflicting extensions or firewall rules that might block proxy traffic, and switch between SOCKS and HTTP proxy types to test. One key tip: temporarily disable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.